Simak says that Hazrat Nauman bin Bashir radiyallahu anhu said in the sermon, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gets more pleased at the patience of his bondsman than a man who placed his food and water skin on a camel and then set out for a journey through a jungle. At noon he felt sleepy, so he dismounted under a tree and went to sleep, and his camel ran away. When he awoke, he ascended a knoll, but he saw nothing. He mounted the knoll a second time, but could not see anything. Third time he again went up a knoll, but he again saw nothing. He whereupon returned to the place where he was taking a nap. Suddenly the camel came to the place where he was sitting and put its nose string in his hand. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gets more pleased at the repentance of a bondsman than that man when he finds the camel in despair. Simak says that Shabi thinks that Nauman bin Bashir associated this statement to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6893.